What's up guys, Kai24 here. Today is going to be a very short test video. So right now I'm using the Sony ZV-E10 or ZV-E10 if you're here in the UK. That's how we usually say it. It's the essential proper way of saying it. And I'm holding it out to vlog. I'm using the kit lens on this at the moment, and it's not as wide as you would like it to be, even though it's a 16 to 50 millimeter, I think it is. Yes, it's a 16 to 50 millimeter, but because it's got a crop sensor on it, that 16 millimeter basically becomes more like a 24, 25 millimeter lens. So even at its widest setting, it isn't that wide. So if you really want to make the best use of this camera, and you would want to invest in something that's a little wider, then you're probably better off going for like a 10 to 18 millimeter lens, or something that is a little bit wider. Because this is an APS-C camera, you want to get as wide as possible. So even if I have my hand all the way outstretched like that, you can see that it's not exactly as wide as you'd like it to be, which can be a little bit inconvenient, because if you're walking and vlogging and you want to hold the camera like that, then it's not gonna be that great. Anyway, that aside, basically what today's video is going to be is a very quick real world kind of test. So none of this footage is going to be heavily edited, if possible edited at all. So I'm going to take it right out. It is at 4K that I'm filming. So I'm filming at 4K, 24 FPS. I'm going to be, the shutter speed is at 150 obviously, and the only things that are set to kind of auto is the ISO, because when you're zooming in and stuff like that with the kit lens, the aperture tends to change. So I've kept the ISO to auto to automatically adjust for that. A lot of the time I am just keeping it 100, but it varies. It's a nice day outside. It's not overly bright, but it's kind of nice and sunny. The weather is kind of decent, so hopefully we'll get some good looking footage. And that's basically going to be it for me talking for the most part. I'm going to show you some footage basically to kind of display how this camera is in terms of quality when you're using it for things like vlogging and general content creation, which is what it's created for. So hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, very short. I might add a segment at the end just to kind of wrap things up, but for the most part, enjoy the video. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's pretty much it for today. There is a full review on this camera coming out very soon, and look out for that basically. Just full detailed review coming very soon. Keep an eye out. Until then guys, make sure you like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, Kai24 signing out.